Hello, and it's future Leviza again. I am filming a video about my skincare routine in depth and basically what I do to depuff my face to have less of a visual puffy eye, dark under eyes, and overall to make sure that I am drained in the lymphatic system. Lymphatic system is something like a cleaning crew. Let's just think about it that way. This will help you to clean out your pores, clog it out. I will be having a sponsor in the middle of this video, so don't forget to look at it because it is a very special sponsor and something I have already tried for quite a time. Thank you and enjoy. Good morning, everyone. My little baby. And yeah, I'm forcing Tyson to be in the shot. He doesn't like the camera, or he doesn't like. Okay, you go. My little baby does not like social contact, so you will rarely see him on my channel. Currently, it's 9:23 a.m. I have filmed myself a little bit earlier showcasing how I look, and as you can see, I'm having a very bad puffy face and I'm still struggling with it. I have very bad stuffed nose as of right now, but in general, my eyes are puffy. I have really bad under eye circles right now. I'm currently sweating because I'm in a room without an AC, but other than that, I just feel like I have a lot of water retention in my face. I feel really puffy. So I know that a lot of girls are asking me on how I would look nice and tight, and also how do I keep my face from having acne and large pores. I do a lot of close-up videos, as you can see here. Like, I do a lot of skincare, makeup videos, and a lot of people ask for my skincare routine. So I decided to make a video like this one to showcase what I would do, and also I will be trying something new. Actually, I have been trying it. I'm going to introduce it over to you guys. Maybe some of you will be interested in trying it out as well. But generally today I woke up looking like a chipmunk, and I know it's not the most glamorous sight, but hey, we are all human here. I hate how puffy my face is today. I don't know if it's just me or the whole world is against me this morning, but I am determined to fix this. Don't worry, that's why I'm still smiling with no hard feelings here today, because I have a very nice secret weapon that I'm so excited to introduce, and that will actually going to transform my face in about 10 minutes. So it's perfect for the busy bees like me. Before we dive in, I want to quickly talk about something that has been a game changer for my skin. As many of you know, I am quite of a busy bee, and taking care of my skin has been a priority. I constantly want my skin to look lifted, rejuvenated, and glowy. But let's face it, salon treatments are pricey and time consuming. That is why I'm so excited to introduce you to my new skincare BFF, the AMIRO 3 Turbo Facial RF Skin Tightening Device. This amazing tool uses radio frequency, EMS turbo, red light, yellow light, and infrared light to give your skin a serious boost. Let's firstly start with water. I have my fake Stanley cup here today. Look at this amazing packaging. It feels like it's an amazing gift. In a way, it is. I have been using it for a past week and I am already seeing a difference. My skin looks brighter, more bouncier, and just overall happier. I have tried countless skincare products, and while some of them show promise, consistency has always been a challenge. But this device is a game changer because it only takes 3 to 5 minutes a day. I am particularly excited about its ability to reduce dark circles, which is a constant battle for me. Okay, so I've been doing it for a while, so I'm used to the feeling of it. But once you apply it over to your eyes, you are going to feel the twitch. Yeah, so that was very odd for me at first, but I really like the feeling now. Like, it really feels like it's massaging my eyes, and I'm feeling like the instant relief. It does look a little bit funky. At this moment, I'm just massaging it over my eyes. The key thing is to keep it moving. I already feel so much more lifted. My eyes feel so much more awake. I do see a slight difference in the under eye color, but it does take time to actually see the visible results. Usually, I would give things like this a try for about a couple of weeks. I would say at least 4 weeks to see the real results. I will be trying it on and off for the next 4 weeks, and we'll see how well it works. And I'm very curious, especially under my eyes, because this is like the area where I tend to have the darkest spots. Let's do it all over the face now. We are going to change the mode to full face anti-aging. I'm sure you all seen this tool used by Khloe Kardashian and all the Kardashians in general, and I would say everyone on TikTok. Apparently, RF energy goes deep into your skin, boosts collagen production, which is that stuff that makes your skin go all the way bouncy and youthful. That could be why people say it reduces wrinkles. The AMIRO 3 Turbo also has EMS, which is supposed to stimulate your face muscles for a more sculpted look. Plus, it has different colored lights, what's supposed to help with circulation and healing. Sounds pretty cool, right? Here I'm applying their hyaluronic acid mask for the eyes to help with the circulation as well. It just works really well with the machine itself. This mask also feels really nice on skin. I honestly feel like a superwoman right now. So let's put it back to the eye care mode. And I'm gonna go with the second level of intensity. And would always go up in the upward direction or lifting my face upwards. I love how versatile this device is. You could target areas of your face on different days. I use it all over to boost collagen, tighten my jawline on the V zone, and of course, depuff my eyes. Thank you so much, AMIRO, for sponsoring this portion of the video. I am very pleased of the results and I cannot wait to see how long it lasts me. Okay, so now my face is washed and we are ready to get rid of the puffy face in general. We are going to start that with a lymphatic massage. Lymphatic massages usually help with puffiness and increase circulation within the skin. This will give you that nice boosted skin, which will look really nice. You will feel amazing. And this massage is, of course, like every other product or the things that I recommend are not time consuming. So this will be really easy to recreate and do at home. These are the things that you usually do and I've done for so many years. I've actually done a video about my gua sha. Gua sha is also something that you could do, but this one we're going to do with our fingers. Usually I would do this in the morning to reduce my puffiness, and also the tools like this would always help it as well. Also not time consuming, only 3 to 5 minutes a day. Amazing. These are the things that you could do on your high maintenance days to be low maintenance. I love that, and I love that for everyone. I love watching videos like this. Taking care of yourself is so very important, so don't forget to do that. We're gonna start with opening up the lymph nodes. I usually start with the collarbone area. As you can see here, I have already started opening it up right here. Let's get started with a lymphatic drainage massage. This helps to reduce puffiness and improve circulation. While I'm massaging, let's talk about why this works. Your lymphatic system is your body's internal cleaning crew. It helps to remove waste and toxins. When it's not working properly, you could experience puffiness, acne, and other skin issues. Think of your lymphatic system as a network of drains. When those drains get clogged, you get problems, and we know those. This massage helps to unclog those drains, giving your skin a fresh start. Now, let's address those pesky blemishes. I know how frustrating it could be. Remember that consistency is key. It's always important to try to stay consistent with taking care of your skin, and using devices like AMIRO would also benefit in the long run while you're using it in the future, and consistently, of course. Let me know if you've tried any products before, if you are interested in trying any Korean products in the future. I don't know if you guys are into Korean style makeup or in general just skincare. I feel like it becomes a little bit of like a cult. I'm into it though. I love everything Korean, but I just feel like there's too many Korean things and I'm not sure if it is overrated or not. But generally, what do you guys think about this one? If you are into trying out new devices like that, let me know down below as well. If there is anything you suggest for me to try, maybe like red light therapy or other EMS products that could possibly help to rejuvenate my skin, boost up collagen, and do all of that, I would love to give them a try as well. Thank you so much for watching this video and being a part of my little beauty area in this channel. I love everything beauty. I love doing my makeup, and skincare is so important to make sure that my makeup looks great. So I think this was a perfect video for that. I usually don't do skincare videos. I think I only have 2 of them on my channel, but I feel like this one is perfect for you to try because it is key to depuff your face, look always glowy, and also feel your best as well. I did so many things to make it work. I've tried so many devices. I feel like lymphatic system drainage massage is like the best thing that it works, and I know you've heard it all everywhere on social medias, but I would not share something that does not work. Obviously that won't work for me, and therefore I'm sharing it to you because you ask and I give. And there you have it, my little secret to brighter and less puffy face. Remember, consistency is key. Take care of your lymphatic system, drain it, and use tools like the AMIRO RF Turbo to enhance your skincare goals. Please don't forget to check out AMIROBeauty.com with the link below and use the code leviza to get $50 of your first purchase. I would honestly suggest to like and subscribe and comment down below. This was a short video, but I'm telling you, you don't need much else. This is very short and simple. You don't need to do too much to look amazing. This is something you could do as height maintenance, maybe like an everything shower, or include it into your skincare routine once a week. I'm telling you, you will be so much low maintenance and you will enjoy life so much more because you don't have to do anything else. Check out any of the products that I've used down below in the description. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you on the next one. Goodbye.